As you can see here, we have a vehicle that is on 2 tracks. It is built out of a kind of pretty sturdy wood frame instead of using anything like a 3D print. It's just a basic box. It was pretty easy to make. We got the tracks off of Amazon for really cheap. We have this duct tape covering the top, kind of because we had a lot of loose wires with the breadboard circuit and the battery circuit and the power supply underneath in the front. So you could use, if you were to make a more bigger funded robot, you could kind of consider this more of like a protective canvas, just so nothing gets snagged. Here you have a front photo sensor that detects light. You have a left sensor and a right sensor and a rear sensor shadowing over the Arduino board. Inside there are two 550 35 turn brushless motors that run on 20 amps. Inside for our power supply we have 7 9-volt batteries. We also, we soldered them together and put them in a parallel series, which kept the volt input at 9 volts, and we only got the 2.1 amp output. We went with a pretty basic design, and it works to a T. It can't carry the load, sadly. We can't get enough amps for the motor to run and carry the load, but we'll make a small demonstration here that shows that the sensors work, the coding works, and that the tracks will turn. It just won't carry a load. So let's make sure this is not on like strobe or anything like that. So as you can see, the coding here is making it to where it's going really fast, but there's no movement popping up because none of the sensors are reading anything. But so if we go to the front sensor, the wheels will go, they'll brake, it'll recalibrate, make sure that they're still sensing in the front sensor, and then it'll move. So if we go to the left sensor, it'll stop, and then only the right track will go. Then if we stop, the whole thing will stop again. Move over to the right sensor, the left track will go. And then we'll stop again, the whole thing will stop, go to the reverse, and it'll go backwards. Oh, I think and that's about it.